Extremely rare hybrid rockeroni penguins. When researchers on the Falkland Islands were filming penguin colonies for a BBC Earth special, they captured something shocking. A brand new hybrid penguin chick, nicknamed the rockeroni. It's a cross between a rockhopper penguin and a macaroni penguin, two species that usually don't mix. This was filmed and confirmed for the first time in early 2025. The pair's successful breeding, captured in National Geographic's Secrets of the Penguins. The hybrid chick had messy yellow head feathers like macaroni penguins but stood shorter and had the rugged personality of a rockhopper. Red sea toad. In the deep waters off Chile's Nascadis Venturadas Marine Park, cameras from Schmidt Ocean Institute's ROV captured something truly bizarre. A bright pink round fish sitting motionless on the seafloor. It turned out to be a Chaunacops coloratus, better known as the red sea toad or coffin fish. At nearly 1,400 meters deep, the coffin fish survives by inflating its body like a balloon when threatened, and using a tiny lure on its head to catch passing prey. Its creepy, bloated appearance and tiny legs, actually modified fins, give it the nickname walking balloon among researchers. In 2025, high-resolution footage showed one popping up and squatting like a toad on a hidden underwater seamount, something rarely captured before. National Geographic called it one of the most oddly beautiful sightings of the year. Mystery mollusk. Near the California coast in early 2025, researchers aboard the exploration ship Nautilus made a thrilling find. A mystery mollusk that acts like a Venus flytrap. Nicknamed the mystery mollusk, this strange creature has a large, glowing flower-like body that snaps shut when small fish or plankton float nearby. Its body is completely transparent with vivid neon blue lights flashing along its rim, almost like a sci-fi movie prop. Scientists described it as a cross between a jellyfish and an overgrown carnivorous plant. According to Ocean Exploration Trust, the Bathydevius belongs to a group called gastropods, but its exact place in the mollusk family tree is still unknown. Glacial glass squid. New footage released by Ocean Census this year showed how they use gentle pulses to float upward, conserving energy in the freezing Southern Ocean. These squids live around 700 to 1,000 meters deep, but warming ocean temperatures may be pushing them into slightly shallower waters, where they've become easier to film. Researchers compare their movement to a slow underwater ballet, soft, ghost-like and nearly silent. Bioluminescent bobtail squid. One of the most adorable discoveries from the deep came in 2025 with the Euprymna brenneri, a tiny bioluminescent bobtail squid found off the coast of Madagascar. Although this species was technically discovered in late 2024, the full study confirming it came out in early 2025. This little squid, barely the size of a walnut, has a secret weapon. It partners with special glow-in-the-dark bacteria. The bacteria live inside the squid's body, and together they produce a glowing light that matches the brightness of the ocean surface above. This clever trick, called counterillumination, makes the squid invisible to predators lurking below. Sea butterfly. In 2025, detailed filming of these creatures in the Arctic and Antarctic oceans showed just how fragile and beautiful they really are. Sea butterflies are small planktonic snails. Instead of crawling on a surface, they have wing-like flaps that help them fly through the water. Their shells are thin and transparent, often no thicker than a human hair. Researchers are worried, though sea butterflies are extremely sensitive to ocean acidification, a side effect of climate change. Headless chicken monster. In 2025, fresh footage from the East Pacific Ocean showed this bizarre sea cucumber gliding above the seafloor. It gets its nickname because its body looks like a headless chicken floating in water. It's about the size of a football and has a see-through body where you can even see its internal organs working. Instead of crawling on the ocean floor like most sea cucumbers, this one swim using little fin-like structures, flapping awkwardly through the dark water. Leaf litter toad. Ending the list with something tiny but no less amazing. The Sichuan leaf litter toad, discovered in the dense forests of China's Guizhou province. This little toad, barely the size of a grape, was officially named after the Sichuan Nature Reserve where it was found. Black sea devil anglerfish. When you think of deep-sea horror stories, you're thinking of creatures like the black sea devil. This terrifying-looking fish has a huge gaping mouth, sharp teeth that look like broken glass, and a glowing lure hanging right over its head to catch prey. The sea devil's fishing rod glows because of bacteria living inside it. Males are tiny, just 2 inches long, and latch onto females like parasites, feeding off their blood.